Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, in the previous video, here in this TV, we shown that the cough is burned. The cough is burned from the glass area, so cough replacement is not possible. That is the reason for non-display issue in this TV. So here we install the LG panel instead of that VOE panel. So here we used the LVDS cable LG to Sony LVDS cable. Also here we copied the panel ID from the previous panel. After copying the panel ID from the previous panel, here we write down the panel firmware to this panel memory in this T-con board. Here we copied the original Sony panel ID to this panel memory in the LG T-con. To avoid 5 times blinking issue in this TV, here we copied the original panel ID from the previous VOE panel, and then we write down the panel ID to this panel memory IC in the LG T-con. So now the fitting is done. Now let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is turned on. We can see now the picture comes and the panel replacement is done successfully. See, you can see the panel model number LC320DXQ. It's a 32-inch LG panel. See friends, you can see the picture clarity. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.